Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Prolifix off-campus drive for freshers, and the job role for that is trainee software engineer, and we shall see the job details. So the first thing is the job role. It is trainee software engineer, and the qualification needed for this job role is for BE, BTech, MTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this job role, and the batch eligible is for 2019, 2020 or 2021, and others are also eligible to apply, and the experience needed for this job role is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC it is 3 LPA, and the job location is Hyderabad or Pune, and the venue location so virtual. So all the rounds will be conducted online itself, and the online test date, so the test has already started from yesterday, so it is available till June 3 till 5 p.m. 2021. So the test is live, so you can take the test. So next thing is that the eligibility. So professional graduate in BTech, MTech, BE or MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this job role, and you should have excellent communication skills, and the percentage criteria it should be 60% throughout, that is in graduation 10th as well as in 12th, and the branch eligible is for CS, IT or information science, triple E and electronics and communication, and even others are eligible to apply for this job role, and then graduates who passed from 2019 or later, that is 2020, 2021 and others are also eligible, and there is a service agreement for 3 years. So these are the eligibility. So we shall see the skills that is needed for this job role. So they are looking for skill trainee software engineers with good knowledge in full stack development, that too including Java, Python, Node.js, C++, C#, as well as .NET. And then you should have good logical and analytical thinking abilities, and execute SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, and then you should code, test and troubleshoot programs utilizing appropriate framework, database and programming technology. So these are the skills that is needed for this job role, and we shall see the selection process. So there will be 3 different rounds. So the first will be the online assessment. So the online assessment it is conducted on the MyAnatomy platform, and then once you clear online assessment there will be one technical interview, and then it is followed by HR interview. So these are the only 3 different rounds that will be conducted. And next thing is that we shall see the test pattern. So the duration of the test it is for 1 hour 30 minutes, and the test is live, and no need to register for this. So no need to apply for this. So directly click on the link, and then you can click on take test, and then here there you need to register. You can fill your basic details and then register, and you can immediately take the test. So then the test pattern, so there are 5 different sections. So the first section is the aptitude section. There will be 10 MCQ question, and you need to answer it in 15 minutes. Then logical reasoning 10 MCQ 15 minutes. Then English proficiency 10 MCQ 15 minutes. And there will be SQL questions, and that too there will be 10 MCQ question which you need to answer in 15 minutes. And the last section is the coding. So there will be one coding question. You need to answer, code it, compile it, and execute the test cases in 30 minutes. So you can use any one of the programming language. So there will be multiple programming language. You can choose any one of them and you can code it. So this is all about the selection process, eligibility criteria and the skills that is needed for this job role. So the link will be provided in the description. You can directly click on the link and register for that, and you can immediately take the test. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.